Hello, you're watching Forex Trader Calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Екатерина Стихина. The first half of the next week will be under the influence of the new macroeconomic statistics. On Monday, the US to release a report on the foreign trade balance for July. The US balance of trade fell sharply in June amid an increase in exports to the highest level in 2.5 years. The trade deficit narrowed by 5.9% to $43.6 billion. It was the smallest reading since October 2016. Exports of goods and services increased by 1.2% to $194.4 billion, which is the highest level since December 2014. Imports fell by 0.2% to $238 billion. On Tuesday, the US is to release the Consumer Confidence Index for August. Analysts expect the index to decrease to the previous month's level of 120. The Conference Board Consumer Confidence Index rose to 121.1 in July from 117.3 in June. It's the highest value in 16 years. Economists had forecast a drop to 116.5 in the given period. The index's data says the current economic situation and consumer expectations also increased last month. The US Consumer Confidence Index is typically used to forecast employment trends and measures consumer optimism about the future of the country's economy. Basically, the US CCI indicates a steady growth in the recent years, and there is no reason to expect this trend to change. On Wednesday, ADP will publish a report on the change in the number of employed in the United States in August. Experts forecast an increase by 178,000. ADP data showed that the employment growth in the private sector slowed down more than expected in July. The number of employed grew by 178,000, while analysts had expected a bigger increase by 185,000. As for the economy approaches full employment, the number of jobs grows steadily. According to most experts, the US labor market continues to develop extensively. In addition to these events, investors will also take into account the release of the following data. The broad monetary aggregate M3 in the euro area will be published on Monday. On Tuesday, Canada releases the commodity price index. On Wednesday, the data on the German inflation and the United States GDP are to be published. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar prepared for you by ИнстаФорекс TV team with me, Екатерина Стихина. We wish you profitable deals and have a nice weekend.